Hey, girls and boys, it is Mr. McAndrew, the math coach. How are you? I hope you're doing really well. So let's play some Shake and Spill 6 or 6. All right, let's play it. So the other day we did this with 5, okay, and seemed like a pretty awesome idea. So all you need for this are 6 of your red and yellow counters, all right? 1, 2, 3. How many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, I can count. Okay, I can do that. And a piece of paper, and a marker or a pencil or a pen. If you don't have paper, you could use a whiteboard or even your dry erase sleeve. You could use that to write on with your dry erase marker. So lots of options here, okay? All right, so without further ado, let's review how this works, okay? So I take my counters, right? And I'm going to shake them up. Shake, 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 shake. Now you could use your hands. If you want to put them in a cup and use that, you can do it that way as well. There's not that many, so I'm just going to use my hands. Kind of fun that way. So I'm going to go shake, 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 and then I'll show you my table so you can see, and then I'm just going to spill them out. Ready? All right, so what did I end up with? I ended up with 4 yellow, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 red. So from just this, I can write a whole fact family. What is a fact family, Mr. McAndrew? That's a good question. Let's find out. So we have 4 yellow and we have 2 red. And how many does that give us? Let's see, we have 4, 5, 6. Okay? All right, so remember, we can also switch them. So put the red over here and the yellow over here. And now we have 2 plus 4 equals 6. Okay? What else can we do? Can we do some subtraction, right? So what if I take away the 2 reds? Whoa. Okay, so we started with 6. I took away the 2 reds, and now I still have 4 yellows. All right, now if I put the 2 back, I just did 4 plus 2 more. I just did that one up here. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Now I have 6. And I'm going to take away the 4 yellows. So now I just subtracted 4, and I'm left with 2. So, boys and girls, I just wrote a fact family because, if you notice, they're all related. Just like in your family, you're all related, okay? So, if you know that 4 and 2, right? If 4 and 2 makes 6... like how I did that, okay? Then you also know that if you switch these sums around, add-ends around, you get 2 plus 4 equals 6. And then you also know that if you have 6 and you take away 2, that gives you 4. 4 and 2 gives you 6. This can help you with your fluency work. So look, if you didn't know what the 6 was, right? Something minus 2 equals 4. Well, you know that 4 plus 2 equals that something, which is 6. And the same thing here. 6 minus 4 gives you the 2. So they're all if you just know that 4 plus 2 is 6, you know 4 different equations. Okay, let's do one more, shall we? Just because it's so fun. All right. So I'm going to shake, shake, shake. And I'm going to spill. Whoa, where did that one go? Okay, so this time I ended up with 3 yellow and 3 red. Okay, now this time what I'm going to do, here, I'm going to get a different color marker. Because why not? I'm going to say 6 equals, you can do that, boys and girls, it's allowed. 6 equals 3 yellow plus 3 red. Okay, now, in this situation, if I switch them, 3 red and 3 yellow, right, I end up with the same thing. 6 equals 3 plus 3. And then you do the subtraction. So shake and spill, okay, like 4 or 5 times, and write out your fact families. See if you can find all the fact families. If you keep shaking and spilling and getting the same ones, you can always like cheat a little bit and be like, well, I ended up with 4 red and 2 yellow again. Like you could just kind of like look away and cheat and be like, oh, look at that. I got 5 red and 1 yellow. I'm going to do that one. Okay, that's totally fine. I'm not going to say anything. I won't say anything, okay? The idea is to see these fact families. And I know 5 and 6 are easy numbers, maybe for some of you, but I really want you to see all the combinations that make 5 and 6. So you get really fluent at it. So you don't need to use these anymore, okay? You just look at it and you're like, oh, 6 minus 2 is 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 plus 4? That's... Oh, wait, I don't know 2 plus 4, but I know 4 plus 2, and that's 6. So that's what we're shooting for, boys and girls. All right, have fun, and I'll see you before you see me. Maybe. Probably. All right, bye-bye.